Jack, this water pressure.
Oh, you're joking. That seems all right. Well, by the looks of it, our water pressure regulator has gone. It's no good, and that's no good for Soch having a shower. But somewhere behind me in her wardrobe is the little unit, so we're going to rip it out, bust it open, see what it looks like inside, see if we can clean it up, see if we can get it pumping back to normal, back how it should be, and see how we go. Well, there it is. There's the unit, and it's not in the top cupboard, it's in the bottom cupboard, which is a pain for me as I'm laying upside down, inside out on the bed trying to get a hold of this. But we're going to have to rip that off, which is a push connection either side, so that might work out pretty good. But I still have a feeling water's probably going to go everywhere here. Oh, all right, one side. There's a bit of water in there. The other side shouldn't be too hard. Oi. Oh, look at that. Bastard. Righto. We got him out. Let's have a closer look. Alright, she's open. She has been open a couple of times this before, so I just want to clean it out again and see if it's going to come back to life. But this is it, essentially, the inside. There we go. Spring looks pretty good, pretty clean really. Now as for this little one, see if we can get him out. There we go. Actually looks a lot better than I thought. A little bit of crud, but nothing too bad. It may just be that the spring's had its day and the whole unit has had its day. So I've given it all a good clean out. Everything looks pretty good. Even coming straight out of it, it looks pretty good. There's no problem with the O-rings. There's not a lot of crap in it or on it. So another little trick with this spring is to stretch it, which I think I have actually done this a couple of times to this specific one. I've stretched it back out. It has brought some life back, but I guess we'll stretch it out again. We'll do it by hand because I don't really want to overdo it, and see how it goes. But it doesn't look like much, just doing it with by hand. But it should really be enough because you don't want to overdo it and then let too much pressure through. Right, let's whack it all back together. Throw a load of Vaseline on these O-rings and then whack it back in. See how it goes. And they do have a little arrow on them as well, pointing which direction the water goes. So that's a big thing to keep your eye on. As you can see, little arrow there, water coming in. Righto, where's the arrow? Arrow, we got it the right way. And I did want to say as well, these are generally close to the water inlet. So my inlet's right there on my Avan. I think with Jayco's as well, they're pretty close to the inlets. Ooh. There we go, just like that, back together. Let's turn the water on, see how she went. Right, the moment of truth. Whee! We got some pressure back. Oh, there she goes. It's a lot better than it was, but still not perfect. Ordered. Jeez, that was quick. Alright, so got a new one. This one, now that I know that it actually still sort of works, still got a bit behind it, I'm going to use this as a spare. Put that away. And then this one is a new one. Look at that, that's actually pretty cool. Comes with thread tape and some new fittings. Plastic, so I might even, I'll just do it together like that. I was going to say I'll reuse these, but we'll keep it all as one unit. And now I did pick this up from All Plumbing online. I think the price was about, 30 bucks maybe. There it is. So that is the new unit. Looks a lot better than the old one. Oh, other way. A lot newer, we'll put it that way. There we go. So we'll give them some thread tape. Actually, yeah, they're the same size. They're right. Same fittings and everything, just plastic. We'll give them a load of thread tape. Chuck them on there. Happy days. Righto, new one back in. Double check that we got the arrow the right way, the water coming in. And hopefully these are just a perfect fit. Beautiful. And that should be us. Go and turn the water back on. Hopefully we get no leaks and we should be good to go. Full pressure again. Rightio, I think we're good. Minimal water loss as well. Let's test this one out, see what it's like. All right, that's pretty good as well. I'm pretty happy with that. Much the same as the other one once it's all cleaned out, but I know for a fact the other one The older one is actually going to, well, it's going to go back to how it was. After a while, that spring's going to wear out a little bit more, and it's just going to get worse and worse and worse, quicker and quicker. Whereas this new one should last a lot longer than just repairing the other one over and over and over again. But anyway, we've got a spare one now, so bloody happy days. That should keep Soch off me back. Well, I hope this video has helped somebody out there. It's a nice, quick, easy job that you can do on your Caravan if you've got low water pressure. Most Caravan systems run that little device. But anyway, we did have some fun with this video as we're trying to learn a new editing program, and it's just it's a bit of a nightmare. So we mixed it up a little bit and tried something new. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Slowly shit itself. It's not pumping out the pressure that we need for Soch to have a that tea towel's not doing a lot.